Evening students, how are you? Practicing for your PA first or not properly? Student, these videos we have started because practice work is not a regular part, and I think timetable I have given you for the practice work also, and your class teachers of 9th A2 and B1 also must have given you the practice work particular days according to the PA exam. So students, the days which are vacant in between, in those days we are giving you the videos so that you can understand well, or we can continue our syllabus also. As in the school also, did you remember, after the gap of 3 days you would be having your PAs. So the rest of the 3 days after PA we are continuing the syllabus. In the same manner we are continuing even here also. Okay, so let's continue students. In the day before yesterday's session, I have told you summary of the new chapter, The Lost Child, and today we will start. I hope you would have understand the summary very well, and today we will start the narration and explanation pairwise of that chapter. I hope you must have arranged your books, so there is no need to make you to note down your paragraphs and all that. Please arrange your books, because now the confectionery shops are available, book depots are available with the books, and I hope you all are preparing your work in a proper manner very well. So let's start today's session with the start of the explanation. So students, if we talk about in today's session, so let's discuss The Lost Child, chapter first we are having. In that we are discussing that is last video I have told you that it's written by Mulk Raj Anand. He is the best story writer, fiction writer especially of India. So let's continue. A child goes to a fair. Fingers on lines. Everybody please sit with the books and please put your fingers on lines and sit with pencil or pen, so that you can keep on noting down the meanings what I'm explaining you with that. Okay, so a child goes to a fair with his parents. Fair, mela, with his parents. A small kid is there and who is going with his parents. He is happy and excited and wants the sweets and toys displayed there. And obviously it's a very fascinating for the small kids whenever they used to go for fair. Toys, eatables, whatever is there, they are very fascinated and they are very much willing to get them. In the same manner, the boy was also very much fascinated when he was going to fair with his parents. But his parents don't buy them for him, and whatever he is demanding or whatever he is requesting to his parents, please buy this, please buy that, please buy. The father is not accepting any demand or not purchasing anything for the child. Why then does he refuse to accept them? But later on, when he lost his parents, fine, and he got all those attractions, like before whatever he was asking to his parents, and his parents were denying freely. And afterwards, when he lost his parent, and the men who met day before yesterday, I told you that finally he found a kind man and he looked after him, and to make him stop, he made him to stand everywhere else, all the attractions for which he was speaking before to his father to get, but his father was denying. And now when the man is offering all the attractions, he was quietly denying. He was in need only of his parents, and that was only he was telling to him, please, I want my parents. Okay, so that is why then does he refuse to accept them? Them here stand for attractions of the fair. When someone else, who is that someone else? The men who found him later on, offers them to him. Again, the them is the attraction. When he was offered those attractions, so why he was not able to accept them? That's what the whole story about. So let's begin the first paragraph. I hope you all are ready. So get ready with your pencil and book. It was the festival of spring. Spring is a season, students. In the month of March and April, that spring season comes up. So in this spring season, a festival comes up from the wintry shades of narrow lanes. And before March and April, what season is there? Winter season. And winter season, generally in the winter season we are wearing wintry shades. Here means the effect of winters, when generally we are packed up with a lot of woolen cloths and like like a bit fashion we can follow, but we have to protect ourselves first. So as much as we used to wear as much as we can to save us from the excess winter. But as soon as the spring season comes up, so we were very much like used to wear clothes with our different colors and varieties, which we can't wear in the winters, especially due to cold. So that's why from the wintry shades, this wintry shades are went away. Shades here means the cold, as much cold, or the covering of winters moved away. Of narrow lanes and alleys. Narrow lanes, narrow means very much congested. Of very small space lanes. Lanes mean जैसे गलियां होती है ना, बहुत पतली सी गलियां होती है. जैसे आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा, कुछ घर होते हैं उनमें इतनी पतली गलियां होती हैं कि उनकी छत आपस में अटैच्ड होती हैं, तो इन बिटवीन जब वो निकलते हैं वहां से तो इट बिकम्स अ बिट कंजेस्टेड. क्लियर? सो दैट्स व्हाट देयर नैरो लेन्स एंड एलीज. तो ये छोटी छोटी गलियां जो होती हैं जिनके बीच में घर होते हैं, तो वहां से लोग बाहर निकल रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाट देयर shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged. Emerged means come out. Gaily clad humanity. Gaily means happily, gaily. Clad means of different colors cloths. Humanity matlab people means the thing is that for this spring season which comes after the winter shades, people are coming out from their gullies and mohallas, very narrow gullies and mohallas, in a different varieties of colorful varieties of cloths for enjoying this fair. Got it? Try to understand it. If you would have any problem, write again in the comment. I'll make you understand more. Some walked up. Different ways are there to reach the fair. Few are walking, some rode on horses, few were using horses to ride on, others sat, and few were sitting where? Being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. बैम्बू एंड बुलक कार्ट जैसे बोलते हैं ना, बैलगाड़ी जो होती है, बुल कार्ट्स, उसमें कुछ लोग उसमें भर के भी मेला देखने के लिए जाते हैं. देन वन लिटिल बॉय रन बिटवीन हिज फादर्स लेग एंड एमंग देम, एमंग इन दिस एंटायर क्राउड, एक छोटा सा बच्चा है, वन लिटिल बॉय. ही वॉज वॉट ही द बॉय वॉज डूइंग, रन बिटवीन हिज फादर्स लेग्स. मीन्स हिज फादर इज वेरी गुड इन लेंथ, and he was just trying to cover the legs of his fathers. As much speedy the father is walking, he is also trying to cover up. So in between the legs means sometime he is left behind, then he is running forward again to hold the speed of his father. It's like that. Brimming over with life and laughter. Student, that brimming word is very important. Let me make you explain the meaning of this brimming word. Suppose this is a book. It is a book. But you suppose it is a glass. Clear? Up. If we fill, generally whenever we drink water, we fill this glass up to here. Suppose this is a glass. Suppose कीजिए. So this portion is the upper part of the glass. But if you will fill glass up to here, if you will fill the water of your glass up to here, so after filling, what will happen? Overflow. Water will fall out. So this upper part of the glass is known to be brim. Means fully filled up to the top. Like sometimes we say na, give me a cup of water filled up to brim, or completely filled. Not even that much space, or that much space is also left. Completely brim. So upper part or the topmost part of the glass or of anything else is called brimming or brim. Ab here brimming means, here stands for brimming over with life and laughter. But the boy, because he was a young, very much young boy, and when he heard that his parents taking him to the fair, so he is also filled up to brim, up to the head of him, like head to toe, up to at the top of his sound, or up to the top of his excitement. His excitement is filled up to brim. And for what he is excited with? Life and laughter. He was so happy. He was full of life. He wanted to see the fair. So means almost what Mulkraj Anand wanted to tell here. It means the boy is very much happy to go and enjoy the fair. Got it? I hope you would have understood. If you did not, please answer me. Come, child, come. And now a sound comes up over there. Loud sound. Come, child, come, called his parents. as he lagged behind. Lagged means left behind. He was not able to follow the legs or speed up the legs of his parents. So the parents were a big high and the child was so small. One reason is this. Another reason is this. The boy was very much fascinated by the toys. Fascinated means very much impressed or very much, what to say, spellbound. अटक जाना कहीं होके बिल्कुल like felt that he is lost. That he just कैसे lost? In the shops that lined the way. Line मतलब एक line से जो एक way से एक way में lined up है shops, तो हर एक shop पे वो खो जाता है. Like he was very much fascinated, or he would just want everything. Like some eatable shops है तो he stopped there also to have something. फिर some another toy shop is there, so he stopped there to have something. So whenever he was stopping, so his parents are calling him, come on, come on, come boy, come with us. And then when he was listening to his parents, then he is running behind to them. So that is why lagged behind. He was lagged behind. Come child come, called his parents as he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shop. And for what he is fascinated, either the toys, small kid basically fascinated by toys only in the shop that lined the way. So he was just very much fascinated with the toys which were lining on his way. So students, we have the foundation of the time limits with this video. I hope you would have understand this, both the paragraphs along with the dialogues up to here. We shall continue the videos further in between your PA or after your PA as per the timetable I have sent to you. So stay safe, stay home and be in touch with the chapters, okay? And one more thing I would like to tell, that children were asking me one more thing, ki ma'am, shall we make 2 notebooks or 1 notebooks or what? So I'm telling them, students, 1 notebook is there for reader, for moments also, supplementary book moments also, or for beehive also. You have to make 1 notebook only, and whichever chapter or whichever poem we are finishing, keep on making them fair with the date of that day, on that video day in which we are discussing the question answers. That was the date to finish the chapter. So the finishing date should be mentioned with that chapter whenever you are doing the question answers from that chapter. Clear, students? So I hope so you would have understood. And as per the grammar notebook is concerned, you need 1 more register for the grammar notebook, but that we will discuss when the school will open. I'm not giving anything for you to note down somewhere else in the grammar, because with these online videos, let's see till when this lockdown will be there. That is why I'm taking with the chapters only. If we will get proper time or we will get proper way of teaching, so I'll surely go with the grammar also, okay? So that's all for today. Good luck. Stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye.